Now, everybody needs a good electric screwdriver. Now, check this out. In one container, this top screws off. There's your basic electric screwdriver. Then you have these 3 sections. Each section has a multitude of bits. So no matter what your project is, you're going to have the right bit to fit. It charges with a USB-C. Once you've picked your proper bit, this thing will also light up. So if you're in a tight space, you want to know exactly where you're screwing into, and that light lights your way. Here we go. And to reverse that process, simple over here. And the magnet holds onto your screw. And when you're done with the task at hand, pull out the bit, put it back in its proper place, and then turn off the drill and put it back in its home. There you go. Here's another cool deal that HOTO puts out. This is for a little more fine-tuned work. So here are all of your drill bits. Your handheld drill comes out like this. Now, they also have a burnishing set. They also have the tiny screwdriver set, which is great for all of your electronics.